This makes me laugh so much, my friends. You know, Italy, Paraguay, everyone laughed at me before the game when I said that Paraguay was going to demonstrate that they are one strong outsider. Yes, my friend, one strong outsider. Paraguay. You know, these guys fought on the pitch like buffaloes, you know, like the pressing in the midfield, very tight lines, 4-4-2. You know, this was the type of intense pressure I was telling you about. Italians, even if they played one touch with the ball, they would have these fat legs of Paraguayan on them, cutting them heels, you know. This is what I'm talking about, a real match of men, a real fight, a real war, and chapeau les Italians because they came back in the game that was very difficult under the rain, very tiring, and they made it. You know, they came back on a set piece. The game, actually, the key of the game was the set pieces because within the play it was very difficult. Both teams were very aggressive. So, very good game for me. One of the best of the World Cup so far. I know some of you will say boring, 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 but you guys don't know anything about football before you are on the pitch with these men's man. Have you seen that guy Vera in the Paraguay team up front, in the back, on the right, on the left? This guy was absolutely incredible, my friends. Vera, man of the match. Let's come back now on the two other games. African teams, my friend, apart from South Africa, have not impressed me. And I'm talking about my friends of Cameroon who have not made a very good performance before in front of a Japanese team that was tactically much more mature than in prior years and held on to a very 1-0 very tight victory. As far as Netherlands, I think it's very good because for once they are pragmatic and not romantic. They played a very slow game against disappointing Danes who had the best opportunity in the first half. The Danes had the first best opportunities, but then, you know, a bit of luck, a bit of pragmatism, and instead of being romantic like every time and being eliminated in the final or before, Netherlands are showing that maybe they can be also very realistic and very effective. This is Ricardo Jaime, Day 4 World Cup for you on subfoot.com.